Hi everyone! Welcome to my room. Today I'm doing a closet tour but with a twist. Instead of just showing you my favorite clothes, I'm gonna teach you the real way Koreans talk about getting dressed. In English, we just say put on for almost everything. But in Korean, the verb changes depending on where you wear it on your body. So today, we're gonna look at what's in my wardrobe and learn the specific verbs for each item so you can sound natural. Let's dive in! The verb 입다, to wear, 벗다, to take off. This is a t-shirt. Usually for anything you put on your body, like your torso, we use 입다, 티셔츠를 입어요. Next is a 셔츠. We also use 입다, 셔츠를 입어요. And when you're taking them off, we use 벗다, 셔츠를 벗어요. For 치마, skirt, or 바지, pants, we use 입다 again. 바지를 입어요. 치마를 입어요. Anything on your body like tops or bottoms uses 입다. And when you are taking them off, the verb is 벗다. 바지를 벗어요. The verbs 입다, to wear, 걸치다, to throw on, drape, 걸다, to hang. When it's slightly chilly, I'll grab this jacket. We use 입다 for outwear. 자켓을 입어요. If I just toss it over my shoulders loosely, the verb is 걸치다. 자켓을 걸쳐요. When I'm done, I hanging up. We use 걸다, hang. 코트를 옷걸이에 걸어요. If this is helping you visualize these words better, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. It helps me know that you want more real-life Korean lessons like this one. The verbs 쓰다 for the head, face, 벗다 to take off. For things you wear on your head or face, we use the verb 쓰다. 모자를 써요. We also use 쓰다 for glasses or sunglasses. 선글라스를 써요. And when you take them off, we use 벗다. 선글라스를 벗어요. The verbs 매다, to tie, fasten, 두르다, to wrap, 하다, to wear, do. For a scarf or a necktie, when you tie it, we use 매다. 스카프를 매요. When you just wrap up a scarf around your neck, we use 두르다. 스카프를 둘러요. Another common verb is 하다. 목도리를 해요. The verb 끼다, to wear on hands, fingers, 차다 for wrist. For most things on your hands or fingers, we use 끼다. 장갑을 껴요. But for things on your wrist like a watch or bracelet, we usually say 차다, 시계를 차요. The verb 신다, to wear on feet, 벗다, to take off. And these are 운동화, sneakers. For items like shoes or socks, we use 신다. 운동화를 신어요, 양말을 신어요. In Korea, when you go inside, you take off your shoes. We use 벗다. 신발을 벗어요. 오늘은 후드티랑 청바지를 편하게 입고 제가 좋아하는 모자를 쓰고 나가볼게요. If I'm just going out to meet friends for coffee, I'll keep it simple. First, I'll 입다. Put on this hoodie, and some comfortable 청바지, jeans. Since I'm lazy today, I'll just 쓰다, put on, wear a 캡모자, ball cap, to hide my hair. To finish it off, I'll 신다, put on my favorite 운동화, sneakers. 후드티랑 청바지를 입어요. I wear a hoodie and jeans. 모자를 쓰고 운동화를 신어요. I wear a hat and sneakers. Simple, right? What if I'm going somewhere fancy? I'll 입다, put on a cardigan, and a 치마, skirt. Then I'll 매다, tie, fasten a scarf. Finally, I'll 신다, put on these 구두, dress shoes, heels. 치마를 입어요. I wear a skirt. 스카프를 매요. I tie a scarf. 구두를 신어요. I wear dress shoes. When it's freezing in Korea, layering is a must. I start by 입다, putting on a warm knit sweater. On top of that, I'll 걸치다, throw on, drape this heavy coat. To protect my neck, I'll 둘러요, wrap a 목도리, scarf around me. 니트를 입고 코트를 걸쳐요. I wear a sweater and throw on a coat. 목도리를 둘러요. I wrap a scarf. I know keeping all these verbs straight can be tricky. To make it easy, we put together a free PDF vocabulary guide with all the clauses and verbs we talked about today. You can download it at the link in the description so you can practice while you get ready in the morning. Now, I want to save you from some common mistakes that even advanced learners make. Since English uses wear for everything, it's easy to slip up. Here are the 3 most common ones. Number 1, the everything is 입다 trap. Most students want to say 안경을 입어요. I wear glasses, or 신발을 입어요. I wear shoes. Remember, 입다 is only used for clothes on your body, like your torso and legs. Correction, for glasses is always 쓰다. For shoes is always 신다. Don't clothe your face or feet. Number 2, the take-off confusion. 벗다 versus 빼다. We learned that 벗다 is used for taking off clothes, shoes, and hats. For most accessories, we also use 벗다. But if you're wearing a 반지, ring, you don't undress a ring. Correction, instead of 반지를 벗어요, say 반지를 빼요. For rings, we always say 빼다, to pull out or remove. Number 3, today I'm wearing. 입고 있어요 versus 입었어요. This is a big one. In English, we usually say I'm wearing. But in Korean, people often use the past tense. You can say 입고 있어요. But in real life, especially in OOTD videos, Koreans usually say 입었어요. Even though it's past tense, it just means this is what I'm wearing today. Correction, instead of saying 오늘 빨간 셔츠를 입고 있어요, say 오늘 빨간 셔츠를 입었어요. For today, I'm wearing a red shirt. It sounds more natural when describing your OOTD. Okay, time for a quick quiz. For this 모자, do I say 입다 or 쓰다? That's right, 쓰다. Now, how do you say this in Korean? It's 운동화. And that's a wrap on my Korean closet tour. I hope seeing these items in a real setting helps you remember the vocabulary much faster than just reading a textbook. Don't forget to download your PDF guide and tell me in the comments. What are you wearing right now? Try to answer in Korean using the correct verb. Thank you so much for watching. 다음에 또 봐요. See you next time.